Alright, so I just wanted to take a quick video of this LG refrigerator. We recently changed the compressor on it a couple months ago, and customer called back say that it is not making ice, and ice cream in the freezer tend to melt a little bit. Now I hook up my gauge to the high and the low side. Okay. So you see the high side, that's the dryer filter. This is a new dryer filter we installed. We changed the compressor um, and upgrade the main control board. We needed a service upgrade. So that's what we did to the unit the last time. Now complaint is it's not making ice. The reason for that is the unit wasn't getting cold enough. Now this is the condenser here. This needs to be ambient temperature plus or minus 30 degrees, and when I came the condenser was cold. And when I hook up my gauge to the unit, low side was in a vacuum, and the unit was low on refrigerant, so my gauge was pulling in a vacuum actually. um, the normal gauge for a normal running refrigerator is supposed to be at 0 psi and about 125, which is as it is now because I add Freon about 10 minutes ago. So now it's back up to spec pressures for the low and the high side. You could see it. And condenser temperature is now actually ambient, right around, feels like it's right around 95. So that's good. So the issue is it's low in refrigerant. It has a leak in the seal system. And I want you guys to take a look at something here. This is the condenser. This is the copper tubing from the compressor coming to the condenser. And it's actually there sitting inside the drain pan, which is always filled with water. So over time, the tubing erodes. I don't know if you guys can see a little bit. It kind of eroded and rot. Take a look. Try to get a glimpse of it there. Bear with me, trying to get a picture. Okay. So you can kind of see it down there, sitting in the water, in the bottom of the fan. Yeah, and over time, what happened with these units is needs to replace the condenser coil and also the evaporator to prevent any future issue with this unit. Again, this is a LG refrigerator, and yeah, that's what's gonna have to be done in order to repair the leak in the system. It's have a slow leak. It's been a couple weeks since it's been repaired, and it's now giving issues again. And looking at my gauge now, they're the correct pressures, which is beautiful. So now it's going to be cooling properly until get that issue resolved. We always recommend replacing the condenser coil and the evaporator because they tend to leak. The way they make these things these days, it's unfortunate to say, but they don't last long at all. And that is the issue with the system. Right now, it's going to be cooling, freezing perfectly like brand new for a few more weeks until it leak out of coolant again and needs to be repaired or charged up. All right. Thank you guys for tuning in. All right.